Welcome to my channel Wellness Food. Today I'll show you how to cook a simple vegan gluten-free strawberry pie. This delicious and healthy dessert will please both adults and children. For the cake we will need the following ingredients. 3 cups and a half of gluten-free flour, sweetener to your taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of vegetable oil, 1 glass of water, 1 glass of vegetable milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and lemon zest to your taste. I have oatmeal, corn and white buckwheat flour. First we have to sift all flour into a bowl. Then add some salt and approximately 4 or 5 tablespoons of sweetener. It will be enough. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. Then we have to add 3/4 of vegetable oil. You can use any oil you like. And after that, add a glass of water and a glass of any vegan milk. Today, hazelnut milk is my choice. Add lemon or lime juice, and I also would like to add some orange zest. Then stir the dough carefully to avoid any lumps. Don't forget to lubricate the mold with oil. I'll use a silicone one. The dough should be liquid enough. Pour the dough into a mold. Heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the biscuit to bake for approximately 25-35 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to prepare the filling. I'll use strawberries, but you can also make any filling from any fruits and berries that you have. First, put the strawberries in a saucepan and then add water and some sugar or sweetener. Stir and cook for about 2 minutes after boiling water. Our filling is almost prepared. Then we have to stir a few amount of water with corn starch, and we have to add the stirred starch to our filling and stir until the filling boils again. Don't forget to stir it properly all the time. So, our filling is already prepared. And our biscuit is ready too. Let it cool down and take it out of the mold. Cut it into 2 parts to make 2 biscuits. And grease each part with the filling. Our dessert is almost prepared. If you want, you can decorate the cake with the coconut flakes or with something else you like. This time I prefer coconut flakes. And finally, our dessert is ready. You can try it right now. Strawberry lean pie can be cooked by everyone without any problems, as well as it is suitable to those who are on a diet or fasting. It also contains many useful grains and vitamins, as the cake is sugar and gluten free. If guests are on the way and you are running out of time, you can quickly prepare this delicious, easy and healthy dessert. By the way, white flour contains gluten, which should be avoided not only by those with gluten intolerances. In fact, frequent use of gluten leads to a slowdown in metabolism, triggers pathological processes in the body, disrupts the endocrine system and hormones. Fortunately, wheat flour has many healthier alternatives. Nowadays, cakes can be enjoyed not only without guilt, but also with benefit. Well, you can pamper yourself and your loved ones with this healthy cake, which is completely gluten-free. My son loved this delicious pie. It is suitable for children after a year. Bon appetit everyone! Cook light, healthy and tasty food with me. Subscribe to my channel Wellness Food, where I publish interesting healthy recipes that will come to your taste.